So this is the Euro Yen analysis for Monday, the 4th of December. Now, let's just have a look what happened with price and where they're likely to go. So we've come down to we are currently in a bit of a trading range in the Euro Yen. The lower end of the trading range being the 31.70, the upper end of the trading range being around 134 region. Now, we've come down to previously we've come down to 31.70. We've caught a bit of a bit, and as you can see, we've tested this 134 level above that we're looking at 134.50 for potential sell side momentum. We didn't get quite up to 134.50. Instead we turned around in around 134.40, which is somewhat disappointing, but yeah, we did have an indicator that we were going to likely see some sell side momentum. We did post that pin bar just there. We did post what potentially is a momentum candle just here as well, candle closing near its lows off that key level, that 134. Did have a bit of a there's a bit of a bear flag actually, I'm not sure, bit of a bear flag for we did see that sell side momentum candle coming to the market, but this candle here is hold on a second here. Wow, what have I just done? Hold on a second, bear with me a second, having a few technical difficulties. Let's just, there we go. Oh, goodness me. Here we go. So, I'm just going to lock my drawings on my chart and continue. So, we had to move up. We did have this momentum candle. We did have this consolidation. We did have a breakdown in prices. Now, this breakdown, this candle here, this large bearish candle, likely news related. We've seen a very strong move to the downside in off that key level. Slight to the next key level above that 134.50, so we broke down from 134.40. Again, we've broken down, came all the way down. We didn't quite get down to 32.83, slightly broke below the 33.04 level. And we have seen a bit, we did see some buy side momentum coming to the market. Now the market has gapped up, and gaps in the market are usually seen as being bullish if we do see a gap in the market. So we do look poised for more upside momentum. Now we have come into this the upper end of the channel in around at 134. We have posted a bit of a pin bar. We do appear a bit weak at the moment with these small candles, so a potential pullback, we could see a pullback down to that 133.45. in around at 133.45. We'll potentially have gap filled around at 133.40 before we see some potential buy side momentum taking us all the way back up to 134, beyond which we're looking for prices to get all the way up to 134.50. and all the previous highs are in around 134.40, but potentially expecting prices up to that 134.50. Now if we do successfully navigate 134.50, where's the potential targets? Now above 134.50, we're looking for the next major level of potential resistance in around at 135.60. We could potentially see some sell side momentum taking us all the way back down to 134.50 and 135.60. Let's see where we are. So 135.60, I'd expect to be the far end of the range. Now if we do see a breakdown and we don't find support at 33.45, we're looking for price to come down to 33.04. If we don't see much reaction at 33.04, 33.04 is not a major or minor level. It is let's see, actually I'll just take it off the chart. Actually I don't think it's going to add much importance to, no, 133 isn't actually a major level I've got marked out on the chart, so I'll just taking it off. I was using it for another analysis video. So a breakdown from 133.45, we're potentially targeting 32.83, beyond which we're looking for the 200-400 period moving averages, currently sitting around the 32.50. We'll see if those act as dynamic levels of support. We do see a bounce possibly back to 32.83 or 33.45. If the 200-400 period moving averages don't hold, we're looking to target 132.02, and beyond which we're looking for the lower end of the channel at 131.70. Again, we are in a bit of a trading range, so 131.70. As we are at 33.82 at the moment, I can't anticipate prices potentially going much below 132 essentially. So 132, far end of the range. If we've mentioned 135.60 to the upside, is the far end of the range I would expect if we do see the continuation upwards or we do see a breakdown downwards. Now let's just have a look at the higher time frames for wrapping up here. So if we go over to the monthly chart and get the scale on here correct. On this monthly chart, it's an easy one essentially. So we've got a series of two higher lows, and we've got a very strong extended run here on the euro yen all the way up into potential resistance, but the overall run has been very strong. So we do look that it does appear that the euro yen is targeting that 140 level. We've not seen enough weakness at present on this monthly time frame to suggest a potential turnaround. Overall, the momentum has been pretty consistent to the upside. We've had the odd anomaly, just like just this one bearish month there, but overall the momentum does seem to be upside, potentially targeting that 140 level on the euro yen. It's going to probably take a couple of months or so. Now let's just have a look at the weekly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, again we've had a series of higher lows. As you can see here, we did have a bit of a pullback of the 400 period moving averages, but again, bull flag, break, bull flag, break, bull flag, break. But more recently, it's not a bull flag break. It's been a pretty much consolidating between that 31.70 and 134. So we've been in this consolidation for quite a bit of some time now. We have had a couple of bullish weeks being posted, so potentially breakout from this high, because in light of the last couple of weeks of bullish price action on the euro yen, so a potential breakout might be likely and a move towards that 135.60. Overall though, trend on the weekly chart is pretty clear. We are in an uptrend. Now let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the euro yen. So if we head over to the daily chart, and as you can see here on this daily chart, the range is more prominent, isn't it? So this trading range in around that 134 to 131.70, as you can see here, by the repeated sell-offs in the market. As you can see, prices are oscillating between those two zones. We're trading at the upper end of the zone, so again we'll see our price react to 134, 134.50. Beyond that, we're looking to see our price react around 135.60. And that should actually just wrap up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.